5 ways to make money from home during quarantine. You know, if I had done this video a couple years ago, you'd be like, well, what's that? Why are we doing that? Everybody knows now we've had a pandemic. Hey, that's pretty exciting. But the exciting part is you can make money from home right now, and I want to show you in this video how you can do it, how you can capitalize on it, and you can start right now. As a matter of fact, we're going to start the video right now. Hey, thanks so much for visiting my channel, checking out my videos. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that big subscribe button down there. Make sure you turn it from red to gray. It will change colors, and then a bell is going to pop up. You'll want to ring the bell. You'll want to turn on all notifications. You will want to turn on all notifications so you can join my family, the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do a video or I go live. Check out the bell. You got to ring the bell. Super important that you do that. Okay guys, now I want to talk to you about all these different ways you can make money online, because there's a bunch of them now, but there are 1 2 3 4 5 that I think are really cool. Now I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and I'm here to tell you there's so many ways to make money online now. When I started in 2009, it was tough to make money online. There weren't so many tools, there weren't so many websites, there weren't so many avenues, and most people didn't want to spend money online because they didn't really trust it. They didn't like putting their credit card online. They were afraid of putting their personal information online. But then one day everybody woke up and said, heck, my personal information is there anytime I buy from a company, it goes online, so I might as well just get into the fold. We've all learned that, you know, our credit card numbers can be stolen and there can be false charges. It's happened to me, but I got to tell you, the credit card companies are pretty good. When you let them know that, you know, you've been scammed and somebody's ripped off your credit card number, they generally will just take it off your account and no harm, no foul. So most people are willing to spend money online now. Now if you've had some experience with that, put your comments below. Let me know if you've had your credit card stolen. Let me know if something's happened to you, and put comments on things that you may be doing right now to make money online. So let's pick the first one here. When I first started out, I was trying to sell cell phone cases. I was trying to buy a product and ship it out, and I wish this first one was available because it's so much easier, and it's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is awesome. Affiliate marketing can be done in so many different ways, but the cool thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to have a product at all. It's not necessary. You can use a site like clickbank.com. clickbank has hundreds of thousands of different offers there. They're going to have the sales tools there for you. They're going to have the emails that you're going to need. They're going to have the banners you need. They're going to have everything you need to market that particular product. But the cool thing is you don't have to have the product. You don't have to sell the product. You don't have to process the credit card. All you do is drive traffic to a particular offer. When you drive traffic to that offer, if people buy that offer, whether it's, you know, purchase, you get paid on purchases, or whether you get paid on driving clicks to that offer, you're just going to get paid, which is a pretty cool thing. You don't have to ship it out. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to deal with customers, and you can make money. Okay, the next thing you can do is drop shipping, where you don't really have to buy the product, you just sell the product. Once you sell the product, you're going to collect the money, you're going to send the order to the drop shipper. The drop shipper is actually going to package it up, ship it out to the customer, and you're going to keep the difference. Most people will do this through a store like Shopify. They use a Shopify store, and they'll integrate AliExpress through a software called Oberlo. Once Oberlo is installed, you can actually upload products to your Shopify store. Then you can actually sell those products, and once a product is sold, you just send the order through Oberlo to that manufacturer, and they actually ship it out to your customer. It's really that simple. The only thing you have to do is drive traffic to that particular offer, that particular product, to earn the money. Now, as a manufacturer of survival food, we actually do drop shipping for a lot of our customers. What they will do is they will take some of our products and put it on their site. They will actually sell that particular product and then send us the order, and then we actually ship out the order for them. So we are a US drop shipper. If somebody wants to sell survival food, they can do it through our program, where you become an affiliate and actually start selling our products. So that's one way you can go about it. We also drop ship products from other companies, and we also use affiliate links. Now, my first thing I talked about was affiliate marketing. If you look in the description of this video right now, you will see affiliate links for Amazon. those affiliate links, if you click on one of those links and you buy one of those products, I get a small portion of that sale, not a real big portion, but something. And if you go to Amazon and don't buy that product, but you buy something else, I still get a portion of that. So that's a pretty cool thing too that we do with affiliate marketing. So we're involved in the drop shipping end and also the affiliate marketing end. Now I also have courses. Those courses are up on ClickBank, so people can actually promote those courses and they can get a percentage of a sale once they send me a sale. So I'm involved in just about every aspect of affiliate marketing and drop shipping. The next thing you can do to earn money is through freelance projects. Now freelance projects are simple jobs that you would do for another company, and I say simple, but they could be actually pretty complex depending on what your skills are. Maybe you're good at taking sales calls. Maybe you want to take sales calls at your house and that's what you want to do. You can actually get paid on a site like Upwork.com, freelancer.com, Fiverr.com. Any of these sites will actually pay you and get you up with a company that wants to hire somebody. Maybe you can build websites. You can do that on any of these sites. Maybe you can do data entry. You can do any of that on these sites. Maybe you could do SEO. You could do that. There's so many different categories and so many different ways to make money on these freelancing sites nowadays. And if you're not good at one of these skills, my gosh, you can get good at one of them. You can go to YouTube and you could watch videos on any of these talents and get good at it, and then go ahead and put your profile up on any of these sites. Now I got to tell you, I use these sites too. I recently used somebody on Upwork, and I found somebody on one of these freelance sites many years ago and been using them for many years, but they just weren't performing well. So I found another person on there and they've done a great job. They moved over a Magento site for me, which is a pretty big e-commerce site, very difficult work to do, but they were able to do it and get it done in pretty short order. And they charged me very little money. Now this is somebody I hired in India who I've had really good experience with. I haven't really hired that many people in the United States to do these freelance jobs. They seem to be really expensive and they don't seem to want to work with us as much as some of the people in the other countries. So it's up to you. You can hire people just in the US if you want, in Australia, in the UK, and Canada. You can select the country if you want. I prefer a lot of people in India to do technical type jobs because they do a great job for me. They're easier to work with and they cost me a whole lot less money too, so that's obviously a big point too. The next thing you can do is become a VA or virtual assistant. Now this job is a great job for a lot of people, and the reason it's a great job for a lot of people is you don't have to have a lot of special skills. Now of course the more special skills you have, the more money you can earn. But to be a VA, all you have to do is go to one of these sites here and say, I'll be your virtual assistant. I'll work with you, an hour a day, or I'll work with you 5 hours a day, or I'll work 40 hours a week, or whatever you want to offer these people. And then you set the wage, whatever it is, $15 an hour, $30 an hour, $50 an hour. Of course, the wage is going to be dependent upon what your skills are. Now, a virtual assistant, it's going to pay on the lower end of the pay scale. If somebody is maybe doing editing, word editing, or writing sales letters for you, or doing more technical type work, of course they're going to earn more money. You can be a full-time virtual assistant. You can be a part-time virtual assistant. I will say you want to be careful of the companies that hire you, because some of the companies are not as reliable as others. They don't necessarily pay you on time like they should. Now I have a lot of people that work for us on a freelance basis. We've been around for 10 years. We always pay well. We always make sure that we give raises. We always take care of our people because we understand that those people are important to us. They're not just an employee. They're part of our company. They're part of the company that helps us build our company. So I want to take care of them. I want them to know that I care about them. I want them to know that they're important to us, and sure, they got to get the work done and all that, but it's not just about the work. We understand they're a human being too, and we got to treat them as such and treat them nicely. So if you are going to work on these sites, make sure that you get a job with a company that cares about you, or an individual that cares about you. And if you see they don't, drop them. Okay, don't go to work for them. You don't have to do that. There's too many decent people out there to work for somebody who just considers you a number or just an employee. The last part, probably one of the most important parts, is writing content. Now content can be at all different levels. When I get content written, I like to use a site called Text Broker. I like Text Broker a lot because they have different levels of writers, and I get the turnaround of work very, very fast. It's usually very, very good quality. So if you have a talent for writing, you want to check out Text Broker. Now If your talent is writing emails, or if your talent is writing sales pages or ad copy or marketing, I would suggest you go more with something like Upwork or something like Fiverr, because that's a more specialized thing. I've noticed that Text Broker is more along the lines of blogs, that type of thing. I use it for blogs. I'm sure there's all kinds of different, you know, text that you can be written there. Content is so important, and every company needs content now, even if they don't realize it. They need content, right? Obviously the ones that are on these sites know they need content. They hire people for that, but really every company should be putting out some content now if you want to compete in this global market. It's really necessary, more so than it's ever been before. People don't just go to sites to buy products. They go there to do research. They go there to get information. You know, if you go to a site like Food Network, you know, you're going to find all kinds of videos and recipes and content, and that's why people go there. Do they buy other stuff when they're there? Most certainly they do, but the main reason they're going there is for content. I know for my channel right here, you know, this channel is all about content. It's about what I'm going to provide to you, what I'm going to teach you, what I'm going to help you with. Do I have courses and higher level training? Of course I do. I'd love for you to buy it, but I've got a free course below, don't forget, that's down there, and it's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free, so you want to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a lot out of it. There's a lot of ways to make money now during quarantine, and there will be in the future now too, because people have figured out some of this stuff. They understand it's available now, so they're more likely to hire you to do this stuff. They're more likely to need people to do this stuff. And if you want to get away from that job, right, if you want to go work for yourself, the best way to do it is pick one of these 5 here. It's affiliate marketing, drop shipping, freelance projects, becoming a VA, or writing content. Those are the top 5 that I would recommend. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like it. Give me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of it. Let me know if you have other subjects that you want to learn on. That's super important to me. And if you have questions, put that in the comment section too. As I mentioned, there's a course down there. Grab that. No credit card required. It's a click and learn course. So simple to do. If you haven't subscribed yet, you want to subscribe. If you haven't done so yet, you want to ring the bell, right? Ring the bell, and you want to turn on all bell notifications, because when you do, you become part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do one of these videos. You don't miss out. You're in the front of the line. That's some pretty cool stuff. And if you really want to excel your business, you want to check out this video right here, because it's going to help you a whole lot. Check it out. I'll see you in the next video.